Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone or iPad not showing the beta profile in software update, then do the following steps. Force close the setting app, launch Safari and go to beta.apple.com. Here you will see get started. Under get started, you have an option enroll your iOS device. Tap on it and enroll your iOS device here with the same Apple ID that you're using on that phone. There is no beta profile is shown. That's it. After enrolling to beta.apple.com, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.